So last week I spoke to Emma. She's a volunteer who's downloaded an SVI capable app that provides a bundle of support services for her car. She promised me she'd give us some feedback. So let's call her.
Hello.
Hi Emma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm having a rest after 1 hour driving.
So what's new about this bundle of apps that you downloaded last week then?
Well, it was super simple to install. I used the App Store on my smartphone, I selected my services and configured all the vehicles I'm using. And you know what? It works both on my car and my mother's car, which is a different brand.
Warning, pressure loss detected. Park
wait.
as soon as possible to get more information.
Yeah, no, I think the car's got a problem.
Oh no, I hope it's not something serious.
My tire health application shows me an issue. Oja, could you park to see what's going on?
Sure, I will.
Yeah, okay, Laura, you know what? I will call you back, okay?
Okay, well you seem to be in good hands. I'll let you go so you can deal with the problem, but call me back to let me know everything's taken care of.
Yeah, I'll call you back. Bye. Oh, it seems that I have a slow leak on one of my tires. Okay. Oh, good news, I can call my assistants directly, but okay, I can even select service providers. Oh, there is a top garage nearby. Okay, let's call him directly.
Thomas for Top Garage, good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Well, I have a slow leak on one of my tires.
Could you send me some details, please?
Yes? Okay, you should receive it in a minute.
Okay, I can see you drive a Ford Mondeo equipped with a Michelin Energy Saver in 255/70 R18. It seems that it's the left front tire which has a leak. Is it right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I have a tire in stock if it needs to be replaced. You can come by any time you like, but I have a time slot right now if you're nearby.
Oh, that's perfect. Thanks. Then I'm on my way.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
Bye.